Take a look at this beautiful homepage for a personal site built with one of our themes. This page you see is built by stacking sections one above the other. We call those modules. Email capture boxes, blog areas, hero sections, galleries, testimonials, team members, magazine sections, pricing tables, social icons, sliders, and so much more. So how is it done? Our themes let you create a website in real time and visually thanks to the Artisan front-end editor. Let's recreate this homepage so you see how it's done. This is a new blank modular page. There's nothing yet on this page besides the site's header and footer. So let's start adding modules to our page. Modules are like Legos you can stack, reorder, and reuse. These modules are ready to go. You just enter your content and add them to your pages. Each module has its own set of options to play with in addition to its style settings, like displaying the module's title, using an image or a gradient as a background, or adding section dividers, among others. You can add and edit the content of your modules as many times as you want. And this is how the entire page looks like after adding some modules. You can reorder the modules on any given page anytime you want, so let's try that. You can also add an already created module or a module you've used on another page. Let's bring an existing social icons module to this page. Now, in addition to the front-end editor, you can also manage your modules from the WordPress backend. These are your site's pages. When you edit a modular page, you'll see all the modules placed inside it. You can add more existing modules, remove unwanted ones, or reorder them from here and click Update to save changes as you will do with any regular page or post. You can also enter the modules list page. You'll find there all the modules created in your site that you can filter by type and edit. On the modules edit page, you'll see the same options you saw on the front-end editor: the modules content, options, and styles. You can duplicate the module or add it to another page right here. Want to see another quick example? Here we have a different site and we'll craft its homepage. You'll be able to create all the kind of pages you need as easy as this: magazine, blog, about, shop, pricing, catalog, portfolio, landing pages, contact pages, and whatnot. So, what are you waiting for?